In this video, I'm gonna show you how to listen to music together on Spotify on your PC, on your computer. It is very quickly and very easy, okay? If we come to Spotify on PC and click on this button right here, connect to a device, you will see that you don't have an option to listen a song together. So the process that we need to do is come to your smartphone, okay? Come to your device. Doesn't matter if it's Android, iPhone, etc. And you will come to Spotify. You will need to select the music that you want to listen together. And after doing that, you will click on this icon right here, okay? So click on this icon, and here you will start a remote group session, okay? You click on this option, or you ask to your friend to create a group session, okay? Then you click on invite friends, copy the link, okay? You can also share it to WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. Or ask your friend to send to you the group session, okay? Then you will come to your PC and open the link, okay? After doing that, you click open on Spotify. After doing that, you can play any song or any playlist with your friends and listen to music together on PC. I hope I helped you on how to listen to music together on Spotify PC. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.